Today I'm going to share how you can earn up to $15 per hour from simply searching on Google. So what we'll look at in this video is we'll go over this method that you can use to start making money online. Now what I love about this is if you've never made any money online before and you just starting to scratch the surface and you're trying these different methods, well, with this method that I'm going to teach you today, you can do this whenever you like. Also, more importantly, there will always be a demand for this, and it's available worldwide and it's free to get started with. So this is a really simple and easy method to start making some money online, and you can do this pretty quickly. So what do you not need? Well, you don't need any experience, you do not need skills, you don't need money, and you don't have to spend a lot of time with this, because I'm going to show you two different methods with this opportunity to start earning money online. Now make sure you watch this video till the end, because once we've gone over 3 different websites and I'll show you how they work and what you need to do, we'll then go over an incredibly simple way to earn money. And what this will do is every single time you go on the internet and use Google, you will get paid. It sounds ridiculous, but you will get paid to do really simple searches using Google and other search engines. And then I'll also share with you some of my results to prove that this actually works. So let's jump into today's video and I'll show you exactly step by step how you can get paid up to $15 per hour just for searching on Google. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So let's jump straight into this video, and before we get into this, we'll quickly announce a winner from, I believe it was Friday's video. So every day we're doing a course giveaway, so let's go ahead and grab this here really quickly. Grab this, we'll go over here, we'll put this in here and we'll see who our winner is for the course. So let's just click on get YouTube comments. So look, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. Every other day I go ahead and I give away one of my online courses, whether that's a YouTube course, affiliate marketing, etc. To be in with a chance to win that, it's really simple. Just like or dislike the video and drop a comment down below whether you found the video useful, if you didn't, or simply just type in course down below. So let's go ahead and pick a winner from Friday's video, and our winner for Friday was Mehul Mahita. I apologise if I can't pronounce that properly. You are our first winner, and let's pick another one because I did say I would pick 2 winners for everybody. Our second winner is Arthur K. Shepherd, so congratulations to you two. So go over to Facebook, come over here, over to my Facebook group and send me a message in the Facebook group and you will get access to one of my online courses. Today we're going to be doing another one. We're going to be doing iPassive again because lots of you have asked me if I can send you, do a giveaway for this. So this is today's course. It's my iPassive course. It shows you how to make a passive income online essentially, and it shows you exactly what I did and what I didn't do for this. So if you want to win that, simply comment down below. Right, so let's jump into today's video and how you can start earning up to $15 an hour from searching on Google. So the first website we're going to be looking at is this one over here, and it's called lionbridge.com, and don't worry, there are links to everything below for you. So this is the website. It's changed since last time I was over here, because last time they had a big lion. But if we scroll down here, how this works is we are Lion Bridge. So this here is what you want to be looking for. Essentially, you want to be looking for this up here where it says join our team. Click on join our team and I'll show you how this works. So this is Lion Bridge here. So you can see your voice counts, your insights are welcome, help us connect the world. So how does it work? So companies and big brands come over to Lionbridge when they're looking for feedback, when they need someone to go ahead and search for their content on Google. And how it works is if you come down here and click on current job openings, you can see these are the different opportunities available on here. So we've got corporate associates. We're not interested in that one today. The one we'll be interested in today is this one here, which is testers, raters and curators. And you can see here, calling all home-based business workers and university students, our community would love to welcome you. So on here, you can go ahead and get paid for searching on Google. You can also become what is known as a social media search engine evaluator, and basically you go ahead and search things on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc., and you can earn money for doing so over on here. Now if we click on this page over here, you see this is on Lionbridge. So to get here, you click on learn more. Now on here, what this will do is it will show you all of the jobs that are available in a region near you. And don't worry if, like you see on here, these dots, they're not specific to the country, for example. So you see this one over here. So you've got Austria, Bosnia, Czech Republic, Denmark, and I thought originally when I first found this website, I thought, well, UK is not on here. But if you scroll down here, look, here's the United Kingdom down here, we've got Wales, etc. There's many more countries on here, so we've got all of these ones here, we've got all these ones here, these ones, etc, etc. So you'd click on here and you'd go ahead and find your country. So let me go to United Kingdom and let's have a look at what's available right now today in the United Kingdom. So look at this, personalised internet assessor. Get paid to search for Google. This position here will allow you to work home on a flexible schedule for up to 20 hours per week completing tasks. And it tells you about the job. Candidates for this position will need to have good research skills and a keen interest and understanding of current affairs in England. So here, good research skills, what does that include? You're going on Google and you're searching for things on Google. So this here, it could be a company needs some research doing for absolutely anything and they just don't have the time to do the research themselves. So they will pay you to go and search on Google for them and compile a report. Really simple stuff on here. Now, as I've mentioned, they don't just offer this. You can see on here they have translators and agencies, and they also have interpreters on here. There's lots of jobs available on this website over here. They've been around for a number of years now. A completely legitimate company, and one I would recommend, especially if you're looking to start working from home. So the first one is Lionbridge. The next one is this website over here, and now this one's huge. It's called Appen. Now Appen, they've been around for a number of years. They work in lots of different countries. You can see on here, currently working in 130 plus countries, experts in over 180 plus language, and they've been 20 plus years working with leading global technology companies. How do you get involved with these? Well, really simple. You come up to the top and click on jobs. Come over here, it will take you through to the careers page. Now on here, you've got 4 different options. You've got raters, language, micro tasks, and corporate jobs. The one you want to be looking for, if you want to get paid for being on Google, is this one here, is the rater. So you click on apply and it will open up into this tab here. Now it goes through and tells you about the current assignments, but look here are examples of some of the opportunities that will maybe available. So we've got search media evaluation. So work with the world's top search engine companies, i.e. Google, and you get paid. You've also got social media, so help improve social media around the globe. You've got translation, transcription, surveys, speech, and other bits. But essentially, they will pay you to go on Google and do research for them. So this is, excuse me, this is Appen. Now with Appen, they are currently, although they operate worldwide, the majority of the jobs are available in the UK, the US, and I believe from memory, Canada. Sorry, excuse me. Now, don't let that put you off, because there's another website similar, which is this one over here, and it's called Rater Labs. Now on here you can see they're integrated, and I believe they got bought out by Appen. But if you scroll down here, you can see interested in working with us, which country do you live in? If you click on here, you can go through. It's got every single country in here, so you can go through and select your country, and it will show you all of the different opportunities which are available in where you live, basically. So that is the third one. So far we have covered Lionbridge, we have covered Appen, and we have also covered Rater Labs. So these are just 3 different websites that you can use to start making money online from searching using Google. If you do go down this route, I'll give you a little top tip, and something I did when I was first starting out is create a new email account specifically for any of these companies, and then what will happen is once you're signed up, they will send you jobs which are relevant to you or available in your country. And if you don't have a specific email address for this, then it may get lost in all the normal crap that comes into your inbox. So if you go down this route, set up a specific Gmail, Hotmail, whatever, for any of these companies that you're joining. Okay, the last one I'm going to share with you is this one over here. Now this is a ridiculously simple one. Will you earn lots of money with it? No, you won't. Will you earn money every time you're online? Yes, you will. And it's really simple. The company is called Swagbooks. Now, you may have seen Swagbooks in the past because a lot of people promote Swagbooks for online courses and other things. But how it works is, over on Swagbooks, this is, you see here, I'm actually logged in. So up here, let me go to the home page and I'll show you this really quickly. On the home page, once you've signed up, and again it's free, on the left hand side there's all these different ways that you can earn money, and how it works is that they give you what are called swag points, and then points equal prizes essentially. So you swap the points for the prizes, in this case money. But on the left hand side you can earn these points from answering questions, shopping online, watching videos, play and search. With this one here, search, you can actually get paid every single time you go ahead on the internet and search. Now there's two ways that this works. The first one is you simply come to the website and you see here where it says, look, search the web and earn. So if I was to go on there and type in not taught at school, click on search, it literally brings up the search term for me, and look, here is my blog, here are a lot of my YouTube videos, etc, etc. If I click on there and it opens up into a new tab, I earn points for doing so, and it's integrated with Bing, so every time you do a simple search on there you earn these swag points, and honestly these add up over time. Now the quick way around this is, if you didn't want to come to Swagbooks and log in and go up here and use the search bar, you simply go and get the Chrome extension, and it shows you how to do that on the website. You literally add the extension, it goes up here somewhere. I've got that many extensions up on there, but you simply get the extension, add it up top, and then you click on there and you just get paid for doing searches. Now you can see on here I've currently got 6,000 Swagbooks. So once you've got these Swagbooks, you know, what can you exchange them for? Well, in my country, over in the UK, I can exchange these for Amazon gift cards, I can do it for PayPal cash, I can do it for MasterCard money. And then scroll down here, we have got Save the Children, and there's lots more of different things on here. I believe this is country specific, so these different gift cards which are available where you live, but ultimately there'll always be PayPal available to a degree. We've got Amazon and many more on here. So you can see on here I've currently got 6,000 points. I've got, what have I got? I've got in the form probably about £50 give or take in PayPal money, but it's simple, it's easy and it's free, and every time you go on the internet you just search on here or just go to your Chrome extension up here and literally just go ahead and search for it that way. So that's today's video. That is 4 different ways that you can earn money for searching on Google. This last one you're not going to earn lots of money, but they add up over time. The 3 that we've covered was Rata Labs, Appen and also Lionbridge, all legitimate companies, all offering work from home opportunities, and more importantly they're all 100% free to get started with. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like or comment below, I'd really appreciate that. And remember, if you want to go ahead and win the iPassive course, again just drop a comment down below and we'll be announcing the winner tomorrow. So look, thanks again, have a great day, I'll see you tomorrow.